Welcome to Tutorial 3 of the DROPSOFT ERP training series. In this session, we'll configure the Human Resource and Payroll modules. By the end of this tutorial, your HR system will be fully prepared for attendance tracking, leave management, payroll processing, and employee administration. We begin from the HR dashboard, where administrators can monitor employee activities, attendance summaries, leave requests, and other important HR information from a centralized location. This dashboard provides quick access to the features we'll configure throughout this tutorial. The first configuration is holiday management. Here, you can define public and company-specific holidays so the attendance and payroll modules automatically recognize non-working days during payroll calculations. Clicking the Add National Holidays button will automatically import the relevant holidays for the current year. Proper holiday setup ensures accurate attendance tracking and seamless salary computation. Next, we configure leave types. Clicking Set Default Leave Types automatically adds standard categories to your payroll system, including annual leave, sick leave, maternity leave, compassionate leave, and study leave. You can also add any custom leave categories your organization requires. Setting these up correctly allows employees to submit leave requests while keeping leave balances completely accurate. Additionally, the system validates employee profile data, such as gender, during allocation, ensuring, for example, that male employees cannot be assigned maternity leave. The system also allows administrators to customize leave types to fit company policy. For example, if your organization offers 30 days of annual leave instead of the default 21 days, you can easily adjust this by clicking Edit to access the Edit Leave Type interface. In this section, we'll configure the bank management module, an important component of the payroll system. This module allows administrators to maintain a centralized list of the financial institutions used by the organization for salary processing. To add a new bank, simply click the Add Bank button and enter the required bank information. Once saved, the bank becomes available for assignment to employee records, ensuring that every employee is linked to the correct financial institution. Maintaining an up-to-date list of banks enables DROPSOFT ERP to generate bank dispatch reports, which are used to organize salary payments for direct transfer into employees' bank accounts. These reports simplify bulk salary processing, reduce manual work, and help minimize payment errors. By configuring your financial institutions correctly, you ensure accurate payroll distribution, timely salary payments, and a more efficient payroll process from start to finish. In this section, we'll explore the bulk attendance module. This feature is designed to simplify attendance management by allowing administrators to record attendance for multiple employees at the same time, eliminating the need to update attendance records individually. Bulk attendance is particularly useful for organizations with a large workforce, where manually marking attendance for each employee would be time-consuming and prone to errors. Whether attendance information comes from manual registers, biometric devices, or other attendance systems, this module provides a quick and efficient way to capture employee attendance in DROPSOFT ERP. To begin, select the relevant attendance period, department, or employee group, depending on your organization's requirements. The system then displays all employees matching the selected criteria, allowing attendance records to be entered in a single interface. For each employee, you can record their attendance status, including whether they were present, absent, on leave, or assigned to another approved activity. Where applicable, the system also captures working hours, overtime, late arrivals, early departures, or any additional attendance information required by your organization's policies. After reviewing the entries, simply save the attendance records. DROPSOFT ERP validates the information and stores it securely, making it immediately available for attendance reports, leave management, and payroll processing. One of the key advantages of the bulk attendance module is its seamless integration with the payroll system. Since employee salaries are often calculated based on attendance, accurate attendance records help ensure that payroll reflects actual working days, approved leave, overtime, and any applicable deductions. This significantly reduces manual calculations and minimizes payroll errors. The module also improves accountability by maintaining a complete attendance history for every employee. HR managers can easily review attendance records, monitor attendance trends, identify recurring absenteeism or lateness, and generate detailed reports whenever required. Because all attendance information is centralized within DROPSOFT ERP, organizations can eliminate duplicate data entry, improve operational efficiency, and ensure that attendance records remain consistent across all HR functions. By using the bulk attendance feature, organizations can save valuable administrative time, improve data accuracy, and establish a reliable foundation for leave management, performance monitoring, and payroll processing. It is an essential tool for any organization seeking to manage employee attendance efficiently while maintaining accurate and up-to-date workforce records. To see how the system works in practice, let's start by submitting an annual leave request. Please note that employees cannot approve or reject their own leave requests. The system enforces a maker-checker policy, segregation of duties, requiring a user with elevated administrative privileges or manager access to review and approve the application. Please note that the system will automatically reject any request for more leave days than the maximum allocated by the administrator. Applications cannot proceed until the requested number of days is adjusted to fit within the allowed limit. For example, if an employee has a remaining balance of 20 days, the system will prevent them from applying for anything beyond 20 days. On the side of the workspace, the system provides a clear view of an employee's remaining leave balance. This prevents administrators or managers from accidentally approving or allocating more leave days than an employee is entitled to. Once the leave request is submitted, the administrator can navigate to the dashboard and select leave management. From here, administrators can review pending requests to approve, reject, or print the leave form for physical signing and filing. In this section, we'll explore the salary advance application feature. This module allows employees to request an advance on their salary before the regular payroll date, while providing HR and management with a structured approval process to review and authorize each request. To create a new application, select the employee, enter the requested advance amount, specify the application date, and provide the reason for the request where required. Once submitted, the application follows the organization's approval workflow before it can be processed. A key advantage of DROPSOFT ERP is the flexibility it provides when recovering salary advances. Rather than deducting the full amount in a single payroll period, repayments can be tailored to the employee's preferred installment plan, allowing the balance to be spread across multiple payroll cycles according to an agreed repayment schedule. The first installment is fixed at the time the salary advance is approved. However, DROPSOFT ERP also recognizes that financial circumstances may change. If an employee wishes to adjust the remaining repayment schedule, they can negotiate with management before the first half of the second month. Once the adjustment is approved, the revised installment plan can be updated in the system, and all future payroll deductions will automatically follow the new repayment arrangement. This flexible approach benefits both the organization and the employee by maintaining financial accountability while accommodating genuine repayment needs. By automating installment tracking and payroll deductions, DROPSOFT ERP minimizes manual calculations, reduces errors, and ensures complete transparency throughout the salary advance lifecycle. After a salary advance application has been submitted, we return to the dashboard and navigate to the Salary Advance tab. This page displays all pending salary advance applications awaiting review and is specifically designed for managers and authorized approvers. From this centralized dashboard, managers can review each application in detail, verify the employee's information, the requested amount, and the proposed repayment schedule before making a decision. If necessary, managers can modify the repayment terms, including adjusting the remaining installment plan where organizational policy permits, before approving the application. They also have the option to reject applications that do not meet the organization's approval criteria. In this section, we'll explore the Request Shopping module. This feature is designed for organizations that sell goods or provide services which employees may wish to purchase and conveniently pay for through payroll deductions. Unlike a self-service shopping system, this module is managed by the head of department or another authorized officer. The employee first identifies the goods or services they require from the organization's store or service department and submits their shopping list to their head of department for review. Once the request has been verified, the head of department accesses the Request Shopping module and enters the requested items into the system on behalf of the employee. This ensures that every request is properly documented, authorized, and aligned with the organization's internal purchasing policies before it is processed. After approval, the value of the goods or services is linked directly to the employee's payroll record. During payroll processing, the approved amount is automatically deducted from the employee's salary, eliminating the need for separate payment collection and ensuring accurate financial records. Just like the Salary Advance module, DROPSOFT ERP offers flexible repayment options. The cost of the goods does not have to be recovered in a single payroll cycle. Instead, management and the employee can agree on a suitable installment plan, allowing the payment to be spread across multiple salary periods according to the organization's policies. This integrated approach provides convenience for employees while giving management complete control over approvals, repayment schedules, and payroll deductions. It also ensures that every transaction is fully traceable, accurately recorded, and seamlessly incorporated into the payroll process. After a shopping request has been submitted by the head of department, we return to the dashboard and open the Shopping Management tab. This section serves as the central workspace for reviewing and managing all employee shopping requests that are awaiting action. From the Shopping Management dashboard, authorized managers can view all pending requests together with the employee's details, the requested items, quantities, the total value of the purchase, and the proposed repayment arrangement. Before making a decision, managers have the opportunity to review the request carefully and make any necessary changes where organizational policy permits. Once the review is complete, the request can either be approved or rejected. This approval process ensures that every employee purchase is properly authorized before it is committed to payroll. Congratulations! You have successfully completed the configuration of the Human Resource, Attendance, Payroll, and System Settings modules in DROPSOFT ERP. These configurations establish a solid foundation for efficient employee management, accurate attendance tracking, and reliable payroll processing. In the next tutorial, we'll move beyond configuration and demonstrate how to process payroll, generate employee payslips, and produce payroll reports using the settings you've created in this lesson. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like this video, subscribe to the channel, and enable notifications so you never miss the next installment in the DROPSOFT ERP training series. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next tutorial.